So all we need to do is just rough cut these, pop them in that blender. So to help it along, I'm just going to quarter these Italian plum ones. And then for the sweet millions that we've got, just take those tops off and just half those. Couldn't be simpler. Now that's full, I'm just going to press them down so they get good contact with that blade. And then we can blend them. You can see that's gone down a little bit now. So we'll just add some more tomatoes and top that back up. Now I've topped that back up, we'll blend it again. So now that's done, we just need to extract the tomato juice, leaving behind any skin or seeds. The best way to do that is to just force it through a sieve. And this is the easiest way to do that. Just keep rotating it in that sieve and it's going to extract all that juice and leave behind all those seeds. And it's that quick. So we'll just carry on filling that until it's all done. And that's all the stuff that you don't want in your drink. You could just let that settle and drink that as it is, but I like to add a few more bits and bobs to it. I've just got some of these baby carrots from garden, what we've been growing, and I've boiled them until they're really soft. And now I'm just going to mash them. We're adding more texture and more flavour to this drink by doing this. So make sure they're nicely mashed up. Then I'm going to add those. These carrots are going to be really sweet as well. I'm going to add that mixture to a pan because I ain't finished with it yet. And I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. And also a couple of tablespoons of honey. And that's what we're going to use to sweeten this, offset that acidity. But we're not using sugar to do that, and we're not adding salt either. It's also going to help that carrot break down as well. So we'll make sure everything is nicely combined. Now that tomato juice has come to a boil, all that honey's dissolved along with those carrots. So this basically just needs leaving to cool now. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add some chili powder or maybe a splash of Worcester sauce. That's entirely up to you. But if you want this drink to be a bit thicker, then just boil it for a little bit longer. If you'd rather have this drink a little bit smoother, then just use a stick blender to get rid of any traces of that carrot puree. And now you've got a perfectly smooth tomato juice. So we'll transfer that to his jug. Beautiful. There you go, not too difficult. But we've got a nice big jug full of pure tomato juice. No additives in that whatsoever. There's no salt in there, there's no sugar. Only what we've put in it. And drinking this every couple of days is going to be massively beneficial to your health. And that one is especially effective for detox and weight loss. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to see what other things we're going to be making over the next few weeks, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you then.